I am here in front of the latest LG styler. It has got our mirrored finish on here, which can always be appreciated. It's great for a master closet, but it has a water reservoir and plugs into your standard 120 volt outlet, so truly can go anywhere. I love the new controls on here with this light swipe through. And we have also added an AI cycle into this new styler, which is great because the hangers are going to detect things like friction and weight to determine the fabric to set the right cycle in that styler. Styler fills with steam and shakes our clothes, but sometimes they need a little extra help. So the new styler also comes with the best hand steamer you will ever use, so you can hang an outfit from the top here and just press out those wrinkles. Speaking of wrinkles, I love a nice crease in my pants, and this also has the new and improved pant creaser in there. So really excited about this new heat pump styler.